Do you want to trade with a strategy that gives fewer false signals? This is the TRIX indicator, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with the TRIX trading strategy without getting a lot of false signals. Since we are going to test this strategy 100 times in the next video, comment on what you think will be the win rate of this strategy. This is how the TRIX indicator looks like. It will come with just one line that oscillates around its zero line, and by default, it will come with a length of 18. When the TRIX value is above its zero line, it indicates an increasing momentum, and when the TRIX value is below its zero line, it indicates a decreasing momentum. If we plot the CMO and TRIX indicator at the same time, you will notice that at first glance the TRIX indicator looks similar to the CMO indicator that we tested 100 times, but the TRIX indicator looks a lot better and smoother. When the CMO and other similar indicators give multiple false signals in a short time period, the TRIX indicator filters and reduces the noise. All of this leads to less false signals in a row and consistent profits in the long run. Here's how the TRIX trading strategy goes. Take a long position when the TRIX line crosses above the zero line, and take a short position when the TRIX line crosses below the zero line. To improve the TRIX trading strategy a bit further, we will use the 200 period EMA. So here's how the complete TRIX trading strategy goes. Buy when the TRIX line crosses above its zero line, only if the entry candle is above the 200 period moving average. The stop loss goes below the pullback. And sell when the TRIX line crosses below its zero line, only if the entry candle is below the 200 period moving average. The stop loss goes above the pullback of the trend. Here's an example. As you can see, when the price was in an uptrend, the TRIX indicator was staying above its zero line. We don't know how long the uptrend is going to last, and we don't want to buy at the top of the trend. So we wait for the TRIX to show a decreasing momentum in this uptrend, and when the downward momentum stops and the upward momentum begins, in other words, when the TRIX indicator crosses above the zero line, we will take a long position. Here, the TRIX indicator was staying below the zero line in the downtrend. Since we don't want to sell at the bottom of the trend, we wait for the TRIX value to show an upward momentum, and when the TRIX line crosses below the zero line in this downtrend, we will take a short position, with a stop loss above the pullback. To find the win rate of the TRIX trading strategy, we will test it 100 times in the next video. Subscribe to see that.